You know, everybody talks about chemistry, big subject, tremendous subject, but let me ask you something. Why do we use these SI units? Why not make up our own, something simple, something great, fake news units? What do you think would happen if every scientist used a different system? They tell me SI is standard, it's the international system, very classy, very coordinated. But why is it that the meter, the kilogram, the second became the winners? Was it just politics, power, or is there something deeper? Something about reproducibility and trust? How do you convince the whole world to agree on one language of measurement? And prefixes, kilo, milli, micro, nano, very tiny, very huge. Doesn't it make you wonder, how do these prefixes shape our understanding of scale? If you think a meter is big, a millimeter tiny, how does that change our ideas about atoms and galaxies? Could a different naming scheme make science easier, or would it create confusion? Is simplicity always better? When scientists calibrate instruments, they use standards, reference standards. So I ask, what does it mean to trust a measurement? If you measure twice and get different results, who do you believe? Can a unit be as reliable as a promise? Are our measurements only as good as the tools and the people using them? In education, we teach students conversions, move the decimal point, shift it left, shift it right. Very simple, very beautiful. But why do students struggle? Is it teaching, interest, or the way we present scale? How can we make metric prefixes intuitive so kids don't just memorize but really understand magnitude and proportion? So here's the big question. If you could redesign the system of units from scratch, what would you keep, what would you change, and why? Think about it, because making measurements great again starts with asking smarter questions.